Good morning, students. Today we are reading chapter number 2 from geography, that is globe, latitudes and longitudes. As you know that our blue planet Earth is not a sphere, is not a shape like a ball. It is slightly flattened at the North Pole and at the South Pole. An imaginary line which runs from west to east is known as equator, and the equator only the line which divides the globe into two equal parts. The upper part is known as northern hemisphere and the southern part is known as southern hemisphere. This is North Pole and South Pole. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. Now come to the topic parallels. Parallels, the another name of parallels is known as lines of latitude. Those imaginary line, this is imaginary line, those imaginary line which runs from west to east is known as parallels, and this line shows equator. This is the equator. This line is the largest parallel in the globe which runs from west to east, and equator is considered as 0 degree. North Pole is considered as 90 degree north and South Pole is considered at 90 degree south. In northern hemisphere there are 90 parallels and in southern hemisphere there are again 90 parallels. Hence 90 parallels in northern hemisphere, 90 parallels in southern hemisphere. There is, in between them, there is one middle line which is equator, that is another parallel. Now total number of parallels are 181. Now come to the topic important parallels or latitudes. Equator, an imaginary line which runs from west to east, or we can say an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts. This is known as equator. North Pole lies at 90 degree north, South Pole lies at 90 degree south. In northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer is an important parallel, is at 23.5 degree north. Another important latitude, that is Arctic Circle, it is at 66.5 degree north. On the other hand, in the southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn is at 23.5 degree south. Another important latitude is Antarctic Circle. It is at 66.5 degree south.